So the remainder of this lecture goes over a review of reinforcement again. I know I'm really stressing the importance of understanding positive and negative reinforcement, as these procedures are something that are a basic foundational skill of ABA and used with almost any behavior change program. So here I give again a review of positive and negative reinforcement, again focusing on increasing behavior and whether you add or remove a stimuli. And then I give a couple more examples, so look through those. I will end here on a review of guidelines to effective use of reinforcement. So the first thing is use establishing operations. Use that EO to the best of your advantage. Use high quality reinforcers with sufficient magnitude. So look for appropriate payoffs. So really high quality and high magnitude. Set an initial easily achievable criterion for reinforcement. So make sure that your learner can actually access reinforcement. So if your criteria is too high and they never access the reinforcer, the behavior isn't going to change. So make sure that your criteria is within the level of that learner's ability. Set contingencies and provide prompts to increase success. Deliver a reinforcer immediately after behavior occurs. As you remember from last week's lecture, we talked about the need for immediate reinforcement. So really, any second delayed following the behavior loses its effectiveness. So as immediate as possible, a good rule of thumb is within 3 seconds. Initially reinforce each occurrence of the behavior, so as you're teaching a new skill, use a continuous schedule of reinforcement. Use direct versus indirect reinforcement contingencies when possible. Gradually thin reinforcement schedule as the learner achieves mastery with that behavior. Use a variety of reinforcement to prevent satiation. Use contingent praise and attention, and shift between contrived to naturally occurring reinforcers.